umuntu olandela thina nje
somgwaza umuntu olandela thina somgwaza.
awalibuye likaMthaniya kwakunini sibulawa ama-deluxe yikho konke lenyakanyaka ayikhali bafana basekhaya konakele kulethi hayi ngeke
Come in, brother. Come. Hey, fuck off. Give us some space. We need to talk man to man. My brother from another mother. Come. You want us to talk business? We can talk. I have many stuff. Well, which stuff do you want?
angiyelo ke wena namhlanje ukongizela ngisambathe
Have a seat, my brother. Hey, brother, what put you here next to me?
ngomhla ka-30 June wemadoda hloko esihlahleni sayo sikhathele inini.
What are you talking about?
Silungisa izwe lethu sesiphelile inini impela sidanga kuzohlinisa amahleza la.
My brother, I'm doing a business here. I have children. I have 2 wives. I'm working for my children. This is South Africa for all. So you want us to go and leave South Africa?
Izwe lethu leli ngiyakutshela ngiyawubeka umgomo siyobona ngomhla ka-30 siniswa amahleza.
Wait, brother. You think that I'm scared of you? I was not going just to sit with my asses and waiting for Nelson Mandela to give me money.
Ukuthi niyazana nalo Mandela akutoko ligayile mina lolo.
No, my friend, if you want me to call my dogs and bite you, I can do that. I'm not scared of you.
30 June tax
We'll see about that.
sobona khona.